Okay guys, pop it on real quick because I gotta tell y'all probably already know what it is by my face. I broke my no-buy. Hold on, hold on. This is why I broke my no-buy. So iHerb, which y'all know I had talked to y'all about before, they are a website where you can buy hair products, health products, vitamins, all the things, right? They sent me some stuff. That's where I got the Giovanni gel and mousse and stuff like that. So, not the gel, I think just the mousse. And the Giovanni cream that I haven't tried yet that I have to bring to you. Anyway, so I still went on there to see what else they had. So I was looking for my eye stuff for my face. I was looking at other things that they had out there, right? And one of the things that they had out there was Curl Show. So y'all know I've been talking about how much I love this Curl Show. How when I did my hair with this and the mousse, you guys loved it and everything. And remember, they changed the packaging, right? And they made it seem like they changed just the packaging. The Curl Show was the same. They changed just the packaging. That's how the marketing sounded to me. But when I went on the Curl Show website and looked, the packaging has changed, but so has the ingredients. Yes, the ingredients are totally different than these ingredients. With that being said, I have not tried the new one. I don't know if it works or not, but I have talked this up. And so if y'all have went on Curl Show and got the new one, the new packaging, the ingredients are different. But I have always said in my video, this is the one. I ain't tried that new one. This is the one that I like. So hopefully you were able to find this one with the collagen and avocado oil in it. So because I saw this on there, and I looked at the ingredients and then I looked at the other one and the ingredients were different, I was like, okay. I didn't tell people that I love this. I said that I was gonna pick up the new one and everything. Hopefully it hasn't changed. So I have not gotten the new one, but I did pick this up because it looks like they are discontinuing this, okay? So when I saw it on iHerb, I went on and got it. I went on and got it because I know this is the one that I like. I did not want to wait until next year and then this be sold out. It's no longer available on Curl Show's website or on iHerb. I wanted this one. When I get off my no-buy, I still want to buy the new one and I want to compare the two. Okay, so that's why I went on and broke my no-buy, just to do that for you guys. I want to compare the two. And I also wanted to tell you, if you were looking for the one that I liked, you need to go to iHerb and get it. It needs to be this pink packaging with the collagen and avocado oil. This is the one that you need to get, okay? And I was just crossing my fingers that they wasn't advertising this one and then send me the new one. They didn't do that. But had they done that, I would have been okay too, because I got a little bit of this left. Hopefully it's enough for a wash and go. But anyway, I went on and got this because yes. And when it was this one, I went on and picked up two. They're only like $9. So I got two of them to keep me, and hopefully I like the new one and I can just transition to the new one. But if I don't like the new one, I'll just have at least two of these more to get me through, and then I'll have to look for something else. I wanted to be transparent with you guys. I wanted to be truthful, and I also wanted to inform you that if you are looking for this one and you still want the one that I used in this video, I'll put the video here. The video is not of me doing my hair, but the video is this combo, this and the mousse combo in this video. I'll put it here so you can see my hair, okay? And I'm not saying it's gonna work the same for y'all, but I'm just saying that's what's in my hair when I got all the compliments. It was this. I want y'all to get an opportunity before it's sold out to get it, okay? So there you go. And I will try to put a link to iHerb in the description box. So yeah, I don't think I have a discount code for iHerb. but hopefully they're having a sale or something. So I'll do what I can in the description box. Look down there if you're looking for that. But yeah, so now I'm back on the wagon. I don't plan on getting anything else, but guys, I did not want to pass that up. I wanted to get it so I can have it in stock, and I wanted to get it because I wanted to compare it to the new one. I want to do a side-by-side with this one and the new one and see which one really I like the best, because this one has xanthan gum and glycerin as like 2 and 3, which doesn't really sound good, and that xanthan gum usually flakes on me, but it didn't, so it's formulated really well. The other one has some PBP and all that in it, I think, and I can't remember exactly the order of the products, but it's definitely different ingredients in a different order. I also think that the new one does have the holding agents in it that my hair likes, I believe, but they're just formulated differently. So I probably will like that one too. I'm not positive. I probably will. And if I do, then that's great, because once these are gone, I can go ahead and move and transition to that one solely. But I wanted to see. I wanted to do a side-by-side. So I went on and got it before they were sold out. So hopefully y'all forgive me. And yeah, there you go. So, but now back on the wagon, and no more purchasing for me, hopefully, until the end of the year. Okay, y'all forgive me. Okay, I'm not gonna open those though till the beginning of the year, so they're gonna sit for a while. Okay, they're gonna sit for a while unopened. They're gonna go over there with all the other stuff. They're not gonna go back here. Okay, all right guys, I'll check y'all out in another video.